Hello friends, this is Raman from tradingwithvenus.com. I am back with another trade that we took in the trade room this week, and this was pound CAD short trade. So a lot of opportunities on the British pound pairs this week with that inefficient move we had for British pound. So there were some really good trades. And I like to demonstrate to you how to take these trades, how to view the market when we find these opportunities, and how we can take some profits from these moves. Just a quick disclaimer before we get started. This is for educational purposes only. Trading is a risky business, so please be careful with your money. Let's take a look at our chart. This is a pound CAD 15-minute chart, and this is for October 26. So in this British pound pairs, there were opportunities to get into these trades in both the sessions. So the pound yen, pound dollar, those were great trades to keep picking at it. We took them in both the sessions, both London and New York. This one was taken primarily in the London session. So this is pound CAD short. This is what I was looking at here. So all the British pound crosses, we had big inefficient moves. As we can see here, pound CAD had an inefficient move. Price went to the high and tried to break above the previous high, but could not hold it there. So came back into this previous range. So once I saw that the price got rejected at this level here, could not go above the 170 level at the top here, and price started to come back. We had a nice candle close here. Price was not going any further. And if you looked at other British pound pairs, I saw that price was pulling back across the board. So British pound was weakening across the board. And when I looked at the Canadian dollar, we also had Bank of Canada statement. They did not raise rates. So as a result of that, Canadian dollar was weakening as well. So dollar CAD was going up, pound dollar was going down. So dollar CAD between the two, the British pound was weaker than the Canadian dollar. So in spite of Bank of Canada and Canadian dollar dropping, it was not as weak as British pound here. So British pound between the two currencies was relatively weaker compared to the Canadian dollar. So that was sort of the background information that I had when placing this trade. So from technical perspective, I was just looking at price coming back into this range. So this is after this candle close, 15-minute candle close here. I took this entry and price stayed below here. Price broke through this level and then just kind of held on here. So this is our entry. Stop was over here. You could place it above the high. This is totally fine here as well. Just gives us a little bit bigger stop, but it is a good place to put the stop. And we stay with the trade. And this is the first place I was looking for price to have trouble with. As we can see, when price went up, it pulled into this level, then made another leg higher. So I was looking for this level to give us some trouble. And as we can see, price came down and then gave us a bullish pin bar. That's why I exited the trade. So from entry to exit on this trade, we got 52 pips. So our profit was 52 pips or $520 if trading one standard lot. If you would like to join me in the trade room, let me just give you a quick overview of what that includes. Normally, we do a weekly market analysis call that sets you up for trading during the week. For the members here, trade room members, I also have a private Skype group where I share my trade ideas and analysis, and members can connect with each other. I also send out live trades through Twitter. So you'll get the full trade setup with the entry, stop loss, and take profit targets as well. And every evening we do a live market analysis call where we go over to both the technical and fundamental market analysis. And of course, any trades that I send out, it will be a complete setup with where I'm entering the trade, where the stop loss, and where the take profit target is. I also do a members only webinar every Friday, which is more of a teaching thing where I will pick a topic depending on what's going on in the market, and I will teach on that topic. So not only do you get live trade signals, but you're also learning throughout this process. As a bonus, you will get my pivot point indicator if you want to use that. The cost of the service is $97 a month. And if you would like to join me, you can go to tradingwithvenus.com/trading-signals. So that's it for today. Have a great week, and I will see you next time.